Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this and I stated that these lines were not good. He's going to, and it really, since he's engraving it, it doesn't really matter, but if you're going to do it, you might as well do it right. So let's move this out of the way and we're going to work in the center of the page. And, there's several ways you could do this, but I think I'm just going to take a 2-point line, draw it right down the middle of the page and hit P. And then I'm going to just do one side at a time. So I'm going to start there holding down the control button. And size, kind of matters, but I'm not doing it to size. I'm just showing them. And let's get the 3-point curve line and let's go from right there to right there. And let's give this a little bit of a twist. Now, take your virtual segment delete key and delete this line. Now, this thing has rounded kind of corners. So I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to save that and I'm going to move it over. And on this one, I'm not going to use rounded corners. I'm going to go Control D while holding down the control button. I'm going to do that. Now, mine is a little fatter, but it's just getting the idea. And then you could take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then you could make it skinnier, wider. You could change it from anything you want and kind of get that. Now, because we have this, we can left click, right click. And when we contour, this is perfect. So let's take this and go to go to Effects and Contour. And we did 0.05 to the outside with rounded corners. And in this case, it doesn't really matter. And because I'm so big, and see, it took that rounded corner. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. But let's say we don't want rounded corners. We want square corners. And see, it gave us a perfect like that. Now, if we wanted rounded corners, these lines are kind of connected together. We could take, well, maybe it's not. No, it's connected. Let's take the shape tool and grab that and go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And let's give that just a little bit of a corner. Well, because see, it worked perfectly. So now we have a little corner of that. And almost the same thing on the bottom, but we're just going to take this, Control D, holding down the control button. So you get I didn't Control D, holding down the control button. And then go ahead and fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. And we can move it out of the way. And when we left click, right click, you can see it has, and you could do a little bit more rounding, but I think that looks pretty good. Now this is pretty much a point. Sometimes this won't really work. Yeah, but it did, so it worked perfectly. Now, when we contour it, let's contour like 0.1, and we're going to use rounded corners. And look at that. Now we got rounded corners, and they're equally spaced apart, and it's perfect. It's a lot of times it's so much easier to redraw something than trying to correct it. Now he's got like a rectangle in there. Maybe another suggestion, if he wanted to have a rectangle in there, let's, and I'm not caring about the lines. We're going to take a 2-point line and I'm holding down the control button, so it's perfect. And let's move like right there. Let's take the Smart Fill tool, move that over. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to contour to the inside. And see, now I've got that rectangle. But if we look at the original, we still needed 3 lines and I've only got 2. So we would have wanted to take this inside line, take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. I'm going to nudge it down. I'm going to make it red so we can see it better. And look at that. Now we have, and we take away our line. Now we have perfect lines And I'm probably not as thick as the other one. And then you could, when you redraw the, and see, I'm not near as thick. When you redraw this, you know, have it on top of the other one. And also this is so much fatter than the other one. You can only just bring it in and make it kind of look like that. I'm a little bit sharper, so we could bring that up. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.